In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract cells in Google Sheets, whether you're managing a budget, tracking expenses, or comparing data. Mastering this simple operation can significantly enhance your spreadsheet skills. So let's dive right in. First, we begin with opening up a Google Sheet. If you don't have a specific file you need to work with, simply head over to Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This opens up a fresh, blank spreadsheet for you to work on. If you're working from an existing sheet, just navigate to it and open it up. Once your sheet is open, look for the cell where you want the subtraction result to appear. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's say we want it in cell D2. Click on cell D2 to select it. This is where our formula will reside. Now, it's time to enter the formula. Formulas in Google Sheets always start with an equals sign. So move to cell D2 and type in the formula, which in this case is equals B2C2. This formula tells Google Sheets to subtract the value found in cell C2 from the value in cell B2. It's important to note that the cells you reference in your formula, B2, C2, should actually contain numerical values, or else you'll encounter an error. After typing the formula, hit the Enter key. Doing this will execute the formula and display the result of the subtraction in cell D2. And there you have it. The difference between the two cells you specified, calculated, and ready for you to use. But what if you want to apply this subtraction to multiple rows? Google Sheets has a convenient feature called autofill that makes this easy. To utilize autofill, click on the little blue square at the lower right-hand corner of the cell containing your formula, in this case, D2. Then drag it down to fill all the rows where you want the subtraction applied. This trick saves time and ensures that the formula is applied uniformly across multiple cells. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to subtract cells and apply this operation across multiple rows in Google Sheets. With this skill, you can automate calculations and enhance your data analysis with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.